Good morning, everyone. Day 143, leaving the Iron Masters Mansion Hostel. Going 15.4 miles today to Alec Kennedy Shelter. And so we'll see what the day brings. It's supposed to be a little bit cooler today, I hope. But anyhow, we'll talk to y'all later. So let's roll. Well, this is what the ATC's got us going through here.
What?
Gotta climb over some boulders and stuff. Talk to y'all later. Let's roll. Good morning, everyone. Day 144. Getting ready to leave the Alec Kennedy Shelter. Be heading about 12.4 miles today to Carlisle, Pennsylvania, where we be getting off and staying at a hotel. We're gonna have to go do a resupply. We're doing resupplies by every 3 to 4 days, 3-4 days resupply because the hot weather and everything. But for a change, we woke up with cool weather this morning, and it felt real good. But anyhow, we didn't have those views yesterday. For some reason, there hasn't been many views. I forgot to do a closing video last night, of course, because a lot of people at the shelter and everything like that. So, but anyhow, it's a beautiful day, so let's roll. All right, we're at mile 1,121.7, center point knob, and there's a plaque on this rock on top of the mountain. Got a little bit of view out here, not much. Gotta look through the trees basically. All right, anyhow, that's how far we have gotten so far, 1,121.7. And we're going that way, so let's roll. All right, we're at mile 1,122.9. Out of the woods now into a pasture or a field, cornfield. We're gonna have flat walking for a while. All right, we'll talk to y'all later, so let's roll. All right, AT's going through a farm field of corn and wheat. And this is our trail right here. And if you don't believe me, I'll show you. See that post over there? It's got a blaze on it. We'll talk to y'all later, so let's roll. All right, mile 1124.3. This is in Bowling Springs, Pennsylvania. It's an iron furnace. Back in the days, they used to use this to make the irons, melt the iron they need for stuff. Interesting structure. This is right along the trail. Alright, talk to y'all later. Alright, we're in the town of Bowling Springs, Pennsylvania. And I think the reason they named it after this, Bowling Springs, is because this big old spring lake right here. Look how clear that water is. Alright. Talk to y'all later. Alright. Well, we've been up in the mountains earlier, but most of the day, what we've been going through is this right here. Yeah. Fields. We've been going in and out of a lot of the fields around here. And we're about 3 miles for our get off point for today in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. So talk to y'all later. Let's roll. Alright, y'all. On the side of the trail here, got some wild raspberries growing.
Okay. Video first?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, y'all. The wild raspberries we found on the side of the trail. And the bugs. Yep, they look good. Nice and right. See y'all down the trail.
Alright, here we go.
Just gonna eat one.
Gonna eat one. That's good. I'll eat this other one. Pick one more. That's good. Talk to you later. Good evening, everyone. Day 144 closing video. We are at the Quality Inn Hotel for the night. Did 11.9 miles today from Alec Kennedy Shelter to U.S. Route 11, I believe it is, to Carlisle, Pennsylvania, basically. So we're here now, and Gonna take a Nero today and a Zero tomorrow to relax. We did like 9 days worth of hiking, so yeah, it's time for a Zero. So, and to get out of the heat for a little while. So, talk to y'all later. Good night, and we'll see you in the morning for a Zero day. Good morning, everyone. Day 145, 0 day here in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Did resupply yesterday and did laundry. And today we're going to go to REI and look around and chill out. Talk to y'all later. Hello, everyone. Closing day video for day 145. Went to REI and checked things out and got a couple things. Also, went to the diner next door and had dinner. And now we're back at the hotel, packing up our stuff and getting ready to leave out in the morning. So we'll talk to y'all later. Good night.